Where do you see the greatest opportunities for laundry owners in the coming years?
I think technology continues to come in with payment systems, card systems,
Mhm.
uh, pickup and delivery. I don't think self serve is going to go away.
Mhm.
Um, I just think we're continuing to see a shift of maybe what kind of square footage is needed for a store, um, and and rather you're staffed or unstaffed. We certainly have a mixture. So, I mean, I think the opportunity continues to be in how we can implement some of this new technology at a cheaper availability than it used to be,
Mhm.
uh, to grow not only our businesses but also to serve our customers better.